It is January 16th. All those stumble for me. I could have come from the camera come when I said everything. Alright. There's a lot going on right now. Alright, never mind. Scratch this. Hello, party people. It's been a while. Probably I say, wow, gotta come, she post, but there's been so many changes and so many things happening off camera that I had to just take a step back and handle. And with all of those changes, I have to readjust, like in terms of how I do YouTube and stuff like that. So I don't know if you guys remember, in December I had posted a vlog, and in one of the clips I was like, oh no, the evil one, no, the day I'm having rated it. Long story short, I left my previous job, but now I'm at a new job, and with the new job comes like I have way less time, and I just try to figure out how to balance YouTube in the midst of all that. I know I make Real House. It was kind of like what started everything, the whole transitioning, and I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna work that into my current schedule. So that's still like a work in progress type of thing. But yeah, lots of changes, lots of new things, exciting stuff. And now I'm getting ready for Lost in Time. I had all intentions of, that's my little quick life update. That was life update in 1 minute 45 seconds. Thank you. So today's the second day of Lost in Time. I went to Lost in Time yesterday. I had all intention of doing this yesterday and taking you guys with me, but I'm working at the event, so it was rough. And the traffic and the whole situation to get there, it was crazy yesterday. So today, I know what it is. So I'm reaching there as the gate open. Well, not as the gate open, because it's currently 1:49. Gate open at 2. I'm gonna try to reach there for 3 o'clock. So, yeah, that's the vibe. And yeah, but I think I can show on the performances. I'll probably show on the chronics, but that's as much as I think I'll be able to get, because I have to up and down. Right now my foot them a ball out bloody murder, but hey, we move. I'm also taking a trip at the end of the week, so I'm gonna be taking you guys through the prep for that. I had intentions to take out the miracle nuts out of my head today, but that's not happening. My hair fuzz up so quick. I wanted to keep it for like a month, but my ear so soft, so it fuzz up so easily, no matter how I tie it down and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan for this vlog. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Last night my outfit was cute. It was like casual cute, but tonight I want to put a little bit more effort into it. So not tonight, today I'm going to put a little bit more effort into it. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfit when I'm done, show you guys the finished makeup. And also I transitioned from foundation to skin tint, and I must say, run the walk. Run. If you have skin that don't have much discoloration, also if you want to fix your hyperpigmentation on your face, GU toner pads are the move. That's what I've been using, and I get compliments every day on how clear my skin is now. So yeah, I'll drop Stuan's TikTok shop link in my description. If you don't have access to TikTok, if you don't have access to TikTok shop, I'll put the Amazon link for the real one in my description box. But yeah, also started using the House Labs concealer. Feel like no that no, I don't know if you know that, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my face morning then, and my outfit, and we're gonna go to Lost in Time Day 2. I'm really excited to see Chronics. I hope him can sing my favorite song by him, which is I Am a Legend, that you probably never hear about. I saw a few of you guys yesterday. I took pictures with a good amount of you guys yesterday. You wanna tag me into the story post them, or just I don't know. Wish in YouTube comments is still like TikTok comments where you can drop the pictures in there. Bags under my eyes because I'm tired. But yeah, may I come back. May I chat too much now? Bye. Okay guys, so I'm here. I got here in good time. The place just a start for full up. I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit. This is the makeup, this is the hair. I just catch it up in one. Everybody at park face it. Listen, I'm gonna stay where I am. But I'm gonna show them my outfit real quick. Alright, so this is how I'm looking. If you remember this vest suit, it is from Request Store, and I just styled it with a tie and a white shirt, and I'm wearing this bag. It's the same bag I wore yesterday, same shoes I wore yesterday, but it's after work. So I'm gonna, can I carry you guys? I think I can drop one into my bag. Yeah, I'm gonna carry you guys. Let's go inside. I'm gonna take out the battery though because I have a style for turn on it. Also, to how long I was in the traffic yesterday. I'm wearing my glasses because I know I'm blind, but I can't see without my glasses. And it marked my face so bad I had to just keep it on the whole entire night today. I put powder on the glasses because I'm determined that I never got weird. It's not giving hot girl at all. Like, I'm have on my glasses. Yeah. No glasses today. So happy. As you can see, performances are going on, but that's a side stage, like that's not the main stage. So I'm just trying to do my job while trying to get content for you guys and get something to eat. When I eat a bun and cheese alone, I eat performance. If I can get something to eat, tell you guys how that goes. This is a part of the reason why I wasn't able to vlog yesterday, because half the time is spent running up and down trying to get interviews, and then the other half of the time is spent trying to get stuff uploaded. It's so hard because the place is so packed to the data now work. So I'm out at the front. I'm at the front of the venue trying to get the posts out for the client. Guys, it's so hard. It's so hard to multitask in that sense, but I'm try to show you some hour ago and I'm go back inside for I'm definitely going in there for Carnival. So them story I could have deal. I'm going to Carnival, so yeah. So guys, Carnival is performing and the people that pull up the media pit, so I'm not able to go where I need to be, but that's kind of what I have to be using. If it would focus, that's what I have to be using to watch the show. I'm hoping, yeah. The crowd is insane, and the worst part is I have to go stay back while all of them people are leaving. I came closer. The sound come on back. I don't know if they tell me to the sound lick out a while. The sound come on back, so I am literally in the empty area. This was the second stage. Sitting because my feet are dead. Like, I literally cannot feel anything from here down. I'm not even exaggerate. I cannot feel it. I don't know Omega Drive down here. But last in time 2026. Me talk to you when I reach home. In the car, you can't believe say the story when you see me out try upload out a door from 8 o'clock, still not uploading. It's now 11 o'clock. This is so congested. I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now. Cars are not moving. Yeah. It was good. If I would have to choose between the days, I would pick day one. I feel like day one was more. Oh, much me Alina away I go. I feel like day one was more. Something about day one did feel a little bit more special than today. But yeah. I'm ready to go home and eat my Sunday dinner. I had some nuggets, it tasted so weird. I don't know if them fry it in an oil with onion did there or what, but it tastes weird. Shut up. Yeah. Gonna go home. Phone did I did. And I'm gonna soak my feet in Epsom salt. I'm gonna take out this hair probably tonight or tomorrow. And I probably think it not look bad, but my pierce down up here so with gel feet flatten. My hair gets so fuzzy. So easily, but I'm gonna go home, take this out, and I'm gonna be doing a sewing. I leave on Friday, so I'm going to be getting stuff for a sewing. I'm gonna be doing a sewing, and I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home or something. Guys, it's the next day. I am repping Gen XS because it's that season. I've been from me get that I tell me every time I tell a lie. Mostly because it's up fuzzy because I don't really wear hats like that. But yeah, more than likely the vlog that you're going to get after this vlog will be the Carnival prep into Carnival vlog. Can you believe it? Carnival is almost 1 month away. So I'm at Discount Beauty Kings Plaza because I need a few stuff. My conditioner from the Design Essentials line, it finished. So I need to get that come here one wash. I'm gonna pull out this today and wash my hair. And I also need a few other stuff to do my hair before I leave. Oh, I'm sorry. My feet, they're not on my body. They're somewhere else. They might hurt me so bad, but we have a person. I got I'm getting some half days off work, so that's why I'm even able to come out here at this hour. But yeah, my glasses, my Ray-Ban glasses, it not charge. I don't know why. It just not charge, so when I can't come in and discount with me because I can't bother if nobody could tell me say, so I come so come. This was the most important thing and I got it. It's the conditioner, the big one though. Because the small bottles I feel like they finish too fast. It's 3,830, not bad because the small one is like 2,000 something. So yeah, I didn't get the mesh for the sewing. I don't know if I told you guys I was going for a mesh for the sewing, but I got this like wig cap mesh neck something, so that will have to do. And then I think I gotta go home. I gotta get lunch and then go home. Tired! May I come back soon when I finish pull out the hair. Mommy wants me to keep it in so bad, but it's gotta go. It's got to go. So what's my telling us? I'm gonna forget to me that vlog. Yeah, I forgot that I was vlogging. I did my sewing yesterday. I gotta add a few more pieces of hair to it because I feel like it's a little bit thin. But I forgot that I was vlogging. To be fair, nothing happened this week. This week kind of threw me off balance just because I didn't have the weekend to myself. So it was a little ooh. I leave in the morning. So I'm just packing my stuff over there. Right now, I'm gonna do my clusters in a few. I'm gonna get KFC afterwards. There's really nothing much to vlog, but this is where we are so far with the maintenance. I'm not doing any press-ons. I ordered some, but they're going to the address. They're going to the address that I'm going to be at when I'm there. I should, yeah, good thing I said that because I need to take out the glue and stuff. But I'll come back to you guys when I'm done and packed. Probably in the morning. I don't know. The last time I talked to her was a week ago. Yeah, last time I spoke to you guys was a week ago. To be honest, like I haven't been doing anything. But today we're at Chili's. This is one of the places where, like, this is the only craving I have when I do. And like, what people like, oh, I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, but I really. Chili's is the only thing I'm saying. I'm gonna eat some Chili's right now so far. But yeah, just been working. No miss nothing. I have a video filmed today for the Mobe Run Walk thing. So that's on the agenda after this. I don't know what else. We want to go on football game, but might not make it. I don't think we're going to make it. I don't know if you not hear me so clearly because there's a lot of noise. I'm gonna forget to bring the mic. Like the mic was in the pouch with the camera, but we just took up the camera. Yeah, we're chilling. I'm gonna show you guys my food when I get it. I'm gonna try a Stella Artois beer for the first time. I am a beer drinker. I'm gonna show you that. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Definitely no. I have to catch up. Here. Just like I'm making. The way the mom is like whenever you're driving. Talk about it, they make it sound like this revolutionary beer. This is like Heineken.
I've never heard nobody talk about it.
This in Jamaica, in Dublin. Well guys, look, I got my shit and getting it. That's the surf and turf with shrimp and steak. I got the Alex Santa Fe burger because I was asleep on TikTok and I wanted to try it. How are we gonna bring it? That is what guys here. That's in my hand.
Sorry, that's right. Your kids do work, so they actually gonna want yeah, we're gonna hopefully it isn't
Good?
It's alright. It's alright. I expected more flavors. My belly is full, not gonna lie. I'm kind of upset with myself for what I'm order because it wasn't right. But because I always have to eat the burger and on TikTok and it looks so good. I got it. What I got the first time was chef's kiss. But I kind of want to stop her to see if because I'm wearing this right, this is like a romper and I wanted a white jacket. I have a white one at home, but never bring it. I'm on the pink and then the lens is blue, so it kind of like this is giving me gender thing and not black. Somebody wants to harass us if I can't find a black one or a white one. Good morning. I don't really like use a camera for vlog. I'm not telling a lie because it don't make me look like that. Anyways, it's Saturday, March 28th. I just came back yesterday. leave the past in the past and let's just move on. Let there be light. So, long story short is I got back yesterday. It's Saturday, March 28th. I'm going to my first soca fete of the season and I nearly miss it. So I come home I reach home after 9 last night and I'm up till hours and unpack and stuff because I wanna come today as well. They are sleep good. See my look up the door and she said, "Now get ready." Me look on her and say, "For what?" She's like, "The party." Left my mind. Wake up, rush and text on phone. Yo, where there? Like, so no. Then to make a bad situation worse, me have to have cash. If anybody know me, then know say me never have cash. I would be a robber's nightmare. Like, you will not get money from me. I promise you. You will not. Me never ever not even $500. And that's not a good thing, but I never have money on me. Luckily, mommy, I'm money for her. And luckily, it's a waterfall today I go, so I'm going to put my makeup. All I have to do, dry one glasses with my hair, and go away and go when we're done with. And then after that, we have to go to the airport to pick up someone. And then after that, about 300 million video for film. We just curious out. But get ready with me to go to my first fete of the season. There's my towel. Me come back when I actually done bed and I just out of my ear because I feel like when I slow me down right now. I mean, I want to give myself no excuses to cut the vlog because this I go Monday, March 30 by the cooker, the cook. This is a vlog, yeah, of course. My soup come. As we were, I have like 10 minutes to get out of here, but luckily, I just, as I said, a water party. But now I have to chill up myself, I'm just going to wet up the hair a little more, fling on one hat, fling on one shades, and I'm gone. So, yeah, I have my towel, I have my change of clothes in case I can't go make it home in time to go airport. We're supposed to go gym it tomorrow, but honestly, that doesn't look like it's going to work out. As I said, I'm one bag of video for film, so. But just, I would love if I could just stay home tomorrow and get all that done. But yeah, sun up. It's gonna be my first ever sun up. Like, this is gonna be my first real water party. Like, me not really joining at the madness now. Me love the pretty part them. The put on your makeup and stand up in a nice clothes part them part them me love, so kinda new to these ones. But we're gonna get everything I try this year because this year I'm going to Genesis July. So yeah. It's nice and dressy. I won't be taking you guys on this camera. I think one of the things I never carry though. I'm not carrying upon that camera here. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got the new iPhone. I got the white one, the Pro Max. So I'm going to put it in my waterproof case and I'm going to vlog off it. No, the phone have no service yet. I still need to go digital. As I said, last night I reached home. Still need to go digital to set up the eSIM. Tinga. So I have to pair with my old phone as well for service. But yeah. And then So like kawi, you know. So like kawi. But I'm reading it all the time and I'm gonna put my stuff in my bag. Baby, I don't even know for money. I'm looking on through the panty. I'm scared of can't wear this because of that to me over here. We need to leave. I'm gonna see what this is. The glasses no match now, but you see when you love dash your things like me, you end up with nothing. May I put on something on my lip and leave. Oh, at bikini top, bikini bottom, one shorts, and my Crocs. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put on my fanny pack and stuff and head out right now. So. It's not bad. Well, I'm not serious in a long time, but I promise you, he's in my life every single day.
Yeah, we're actually like siblings. Her mom cooks for me every month. Which
you gonna work and tell everybody?
Yes, because I appreciate
Sunday,
it so much.
Sunday dinner.
Yes.
Yeah.
And guys, I still look great.
Anybody ever skip work to go to a soccer party? Big one, we have that.
Say hi, mommy. Hi. Left son up. Try get KFC. KFC line too long. The lady, I landed in 45 minutes. So I decided to say, I just go to the airport and then when will I forget food? Because I didn't even take a course out. But it looked like the sun up a follow it because it's raining like really hard. Like the road them kind of flooded. And me and Abel. Oh God. Remember I said I just come back yesterday, so I have to try relearn the patrol them and all of them something. Lots of factors at play. Champs I keep a stadium I go ram. So, God. I'm hungry though. Son up. I was a water party hater. I'm not gonna tell a lie. I like pretty up. I like put on my makeup, put on my clothes, dress up nice for a party, but son up. And someone else a Gen X Juve got nice. I can't wait. But I'm hungry. Where you from, mommy?
Actually, some sausage fritters and plantain.
You think you're better than me?
No, I did not say that.
Oh.
You asked me to tell them the truth.
She thinks you're better than me. Yeah.
And I also ate a yogurt cup.
She thinks she better than me.
No.
It's fine.
I
I
did
so
actually
eat my
eat
Kentucky
stuff
Fried
now. Right now, I think
Chicken.
about it.
I so eat my Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's okay. I gotta pick up my sister. I guess my sister. I'm gonna see my sister in 1 year. I'm gonna see my sister. We're gonna eat Kentucky. Mommy not nothing over me. Okay? Okay. Whoa. Look a bit of context about the sun up clips them. I got at a party with one waterproof case specifically for my phone. I left without it. Enough said. It was really good. We're there parked up at Palisades. waiting for the call to go around by the arrivals area. Cause when I came last night, it was packed. The police affair direct traffic. So we're just waiting on the. I'm here. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You haven't seen her in
I
a
haven't
year.
seen her in a year. 1 year. Can you
1 year. Uncle like a dog. Why squall and name off my mouth corner? When the ear was that I was gonna pick her up. Y'all haven't seen her.
Am I phone you vlog now? What kind of
I
downgrade
just
is
had
this?
share hurry up and fling it in and listen. The vlog will me have filmed by 3 different devices.
Oh yeah,
Phone,
that's how it
extra
is now. As somebody that
and a
you
phone.
know
So
has broadened her equipment collection.
Anyways,
Hi guys, what am name?
them not a name. She was pissed because we didn't get to go to Zimmy.
Yeah,
I wasn't pissed because I got a lot done.
and because you don't need to do something already. How selfish?
No, but anyways,
Whatever.
hi, bye. See you on next video. Hopefully by then,
Are they any already?
yeah,
How much minutes is it?
30 something. I don't care. Anyways, hopefully by
Oh,
then,
yeah.
I don't care.
When you getting up with?
Hopefully by then,
Stop squeezing.
we will do more and it will be more festive. Bye.